Look what I just got! My blanket just came in the mail from Bomfy B. Oh my gosh! So I already knew what color it was going to be, but the color is just as cute in person. Oh, this is the foot pocket. I couldn't really understand what they meant online by a foot pocket, but it has this little cubby for your feet. How cute is that? Let's try it out. I'm just gonna slide my feet in there. Ooh, that's soft. I like that. Oh yeah. I could lay here all day. Even though it's like the middle of summer, I love to blast the AC and then get cuddled up with a blanket. Especially since I'm moving to Vegas, we like to keep the inside of the house really cold. So I'm sure Connor and I will get a lot of uses out of this. I love it! It would be a really great gift, like for someone you're like, I don't know what to get them. Well, hello, who doesn't like a soft blanket? What a score! Watch some TV. Oh, and then just put my feet in the little foot pocket. And there's still like, I'm a small person, so this is like, this isn't even big enough for 2 people in here. I could fit my boyfriend in here. 10 out of 10.